Hey loves, it's your girl OBM. I am so sorry that I'm showing you this wretchedness right now, but I thought that maybe I should shoot like a get ready with me a video so you know, there's either I show the wretchedness or shoot the video. So I chose to shoot the video. Anyway, please do stick around. Let's get right into it. Okay, so basically, I bought this wig, right? Okay, this no, I bought like strands of hair, curly hair, with a closure, and then like I legit burnt my closure with a straightener, and it had like a round hole. I wish I had the picture. I would show you the picture. So it had a round hole. So I basically had to get like a new closure. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, it has been installed. It's a three-part closure, and no, it's not ear to ear, but it's still nice. Yeah. So I'm basically gonna cut it right now. I hope I don't cut it too close to the hairline, so that if I want to do other stuff like baby hairs and stuff, that I can still do that. So I'm gonna have to look down because I don't know how to cut it while it's on my head. And I don't want to mess it over. So yeah, I'll show you as I cut it. I just need to make sure that I'm not cutting the hair. Okay. So yeah. And so it's off. Say goodbye. And yeah, I think I left a bit of a huge portion this side. So I'll resize it a bit. Yeah. Resize it here. Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to cut it like too close to the hairline, because if I cut it too close to the hairline, then I can't really like play with it. Yeah, I think that's sufficient. I don't need to cut it too much. So yeah, that's the hair. It's a 12 inch water wave. I don't know. I think it's Peruvian or Brazilian. I really don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, let's get it on. It's got like a headband, like a young headband here. But I'm not into like this thing, because when I put on the headband, oh, it becomes so tight and it hurts like I get a headache. So yeah, let's just put it on and see how it is, you know, on the girl. Okay. I don't think I put it on right. Yeah. And these hairs also, they're coming out. Okay, I think I'm getting it right. And yeah, I think I have it right, if I'm not mistaken. Is there a parting here? No, this is a side parting, so I'm guessing, is there? Yeah, so this is the middle. So it's a three-part closure, thank goodness. And I don't wear it too close to my hairline because I don't want it to irritate my hairline. Yeah. So that's how it looks, you know. And I don't know, like I'm not into baby hairs, like I'm not the baby hair kind of girl. So yeah, actually shouldn't even shoot with this jacket on, but yeah, This is how it looks. This is how the closure looks. This is how the hair looks. I'm thinking maybe I should spray it and comb it, you know? So, yeah, I'm just pulling it out, stretching it out, you know? And then let me get the water. Like, I sprayed with water and some conditioner. So I put in water and conditioner in a little container that looks like a little spray bottle. And yeah, that's how I get it to look wet and stuff. So I'll be back. Yeah, so I got, like, I used this. It's a little small thing. I got it from Diskim. Yeah, like, I think probably like 3 years ago. As you can see, it looks rusty and old, and it works for me. I even use it for my natural hair. So let's see how it looks when it's wet, you know? Just trying to get it wet now, you know? Ooh, the water's almost done. I'm gonna have to refill the container. Yeah, so this is how it looks when it's wet. Um, yep. Literally a 12-inch water wave curly thing. You know, I don't know if it's Peruvian or Brazilian or Malaysian or what, but I think it's Malaysian. But I'm not sure. Yeah, I didn't double check, but I got it from K Cronings, and yeah, it looks cute. I love it, and the closure is amazing. Look, I'm within. I'm the girl right now, you know? So, yeah, I love it. Love it.